watched the last video with my Golf R, this is, well, my Mk7 Golf R. It's my daily driver. It's very dirty. I probably wash it once every other week or so. For sure, if I neglect it more than that, it's once a month because of our cars and coffee. But this car is really dirty, man. So I figured, hey, why not go ahead, put everything together, and film washing it. It's been about 2 years or so since I've uploaded anything on it in terms of detailing. So why not clean it up? Because it cleans up really nice, and it is, after all, my favorite car. Alright, now we gotta foam it down and clean all the nooks and crannies of it. most of you have saw the Obsessed Garage video now of the wash and talk. And I gotta say, the one thing I really learned while I was there is the way Matt dries his cars. He uses this towel right here and then follows up with an FTW towel. This matched with drying aid is it's so good. Like this towel right here with drying aid or whatever, really, it doesn't matter. Like this is 3M's Beat It Up. Follow up with an FTW towel, so good. This makes drying a car and wiping it down with some sort of aid so much more enjoyable. This tire dressing brush from Obsessed Garage, I'm thoroughly impressed with the quality of it. I mean, you shouldn't be surprised. It's coming from Obsessed Garage, and the guys over there are very, very OCD with quality. Detail Factory obviously makes amazing brushes. My previous tire dressing brush was a Detail Factory boar's hair brush, and this one, it's a little big. I'll say that. It's a little big, especially a car like mine. I'm on 19x8 wheels. I have 245, 35, 19s on there, so 35 sidewall. This, it just makes a mess on the wheel. And it is what it is. You just wipe it off. It's not really that big of a deal. But if they had this size and like, let's say a size smaller, that's the size of a normal, let's say boar's hair brush from Detail Factory, that would be the kicker. That would make it fan-frickin-tastic. I mean, they should just make a set of detailing brushes in general. I mean, this is really nice, high quality, and I love the rubber lining right here for grip with all the Hex logos on it. It's fantastic. Like, you should make a whole set of brushes like this with like either the very stiff bristle brushes. You should make it with boar's hair, like the ever so soft brushes, all of it. You should make like a whole line of brushes. That'd be so cool. If you're interested in one, links below in the description if you are interested. Any link you click from Obsessed Garage, being an affiliate, helps me out. It gets me paid. Otherwise, I mean, I don't really care. You can go to their website in general and just buy whatever you want. As well as Stoner Car Care products that I use are down there too. So give those a click if you're interested. Otherwise, I'm done. This thing's clean. Let's wipe tires down and then final shots. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Like, subscribe, all that. Yeah, bye-bye.